Today at GLOJAS, I'm going to utilize my experience, my skill and my knowledge to extract the graft from the donor area with the hidden technique. This is zone 1, this is zone 2. We have just finished extracting from zone 1 and zone 2. This is the design. This is the right moustache. The center here is the phytrum. This is the left moustache. And small triangle here below the lower lip. Also we're going to fill up today. And this is the beard from here, slightly going to the right here and to the left here and going down here. So there's 3 zones. Moustache, the V shape and the beard here. And the important thing of this technique is it got the advantage to cover when the rubber band is removed from this part, this long hair able to cover the zone 1 and the upper part of hair able to cover the zone 2. This is zone 1 and this is zone 2. And the whole, when we comb, it is covered. This is called the hidden technique.